Alright, I've had this FZ1 for a little over a week. It's got 700 miles on it, and the number one problem with the bike, carburetors. But I can't do anything about that. The number two problem with the bike is the fact that this windscreen, even when adding an extension, blocks nothing. So, today, we're going to hopefully fix that. With any luck, I will be able to ride the bike at over 75 miles an hour and not feel like I'm about to get blown off the bike if I fail to hold onto the tank and the handlebars. I really do feel badly about changing a bike that remained straight from the factory for 20 years, but I had to change the bars. I needed that to be comfortable, and I guess once it's no longer factory defaults, you might as well make some more comfort changes, and I definitely will be more comfortable with a higher windscreen. Stay put. Because if I wasn't lazy, I could walk over and put them on the table. I've read this is quite a mess back here, that they use this to hide it. It'll be interesting to see. Then gravity. Stay. Oh, it's not really that big a mess. Pretty clean, actually. Huh. There we go. This is a touring screen I bought off of Amazon. A 20-year-old bike, there's just not that many options. This one seemed like a good shape. I've had similar screens on other bikes, and I am hoping this one works as well as I hope or expect. Really? Butterfingers. These are really short screws, or bolts. I had read of one review, or maybe two, that said they were not exactly perfectly lined up, but just a little bending in the plexiglass and it will. All right. Off with our safety and cleaning information. It definitely looks better. Now let's take it for a ride and see what it blocks. Okay, this is the harshest test I can think of for the screen. I'm wearing my MX helmet. Oh, nice down here. A little breezy. Wow, this is beautiful down here. It's actually not that bad up top. Well, I mean, I'm wearing an MX helmet, which itself blocks absolutely nothing, and it felt as good as riding in my Scorpion normally is. This is wide enough that it keeps everything off of my shoulders, everything off of my chest, and the air comes in right about at the eye opening of my MX helmet, which is fine. It was fairly clean, no turbulence, even though I'm wearing a MX helmet with a hell of a peak on it. So, as soon as I can get my other helmet out with a camera on it, we'll take another ride at 80 miles an hour and see how it goes, but it seems to be blocking so much off of my chest that wasn't blocked before. I no longer feel my shoulders buffeting with the wind. Not bad for well under $200.